Left eye's watering, as you can see. Fucking yeah, I sniffed some pepper, so it's not the plants today. Oh. Come on. Might look like shit because, you know, I have fucking, well, I've actually kneed myself off. And I think that's it. That's all the sneezing done. And yeah, I sniffed some pepper. So if you want to make a viral video, sniff some pepper, like pepper you put on your food, and just it might not work for some people, but it took about 10 minutes for me to work. But yeah, it works, and that's it. You might think I'm acting weird, because I am a weirdo, but you know, that's it. That's all I've got to say. And yeah, subscribe, like, and I didn't really do an intro, or outro. I mean, intro, no outro. So this is an outro. Like, subscribe, comment, favourite, share, and I love the feedback from you, girls and boys, and or what shall I call it, you people, I don't know. But yeah, subscribe, like, and I will see you in the next sneezing video. Goodbye, peace out.